Today's episode is 99's reaction to 90's Hoyu snore gets replaced with number block 79 snore, and this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Greetings, 99 here. I'm going to do a reaction on 90's Hoyu snore gets replaced with number block 79 snore, but she sounds like she's spamming the word hovercraft in her sleep. But anyways, let's get straight on to the reaction.
I'm going to make you snore like number block 79 no matter what.
What? Do you really think I say hovercraft in my sleep and float like a hovercraft? As in... Like seriously? That's awkward. Thank gosh this video ended. Well, that was too awkward because she's saying hovercraft in her sleep for no reason. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 108.